As technology advances at a geometric rate, we see drastic improvements to all aspects of our lives, and you can bet that TriMech instructors are up to date on these rapidly evolving trends. Join us as we explore Solidworks Sheetmetal, a suite packed with the latest metal fitting technology. Discover how this powerful program's features can complement your designs as you create the products that improve lives. Solidworks Sheetmetal features enable you to quickly optimize part strength, manufacturability, and quality. Join TriMech and prepare your team to tackle the toughest challenges. I'm Wes Wolfenbarger, TriMech Instructor. My focus as an instructor is to help each of you gain confidence, proficiency, and efficiency with the Solidworks toolsets. Get more done or go home early. Either way, efficiency is great for morale.